Did you know that every year, more than 10 million people are diagnosed with cancer worldwide? Cancer is a disease that occurs when abnormal cells grow and spread uncontrollably, damaging healthy tissues and organs. While some factors that increase the risk of cancer are well known, such as smoking, obesity, and exposure to radiation, there are also some hidden dangers lurking in your own home. Yes, you heard me right. Some of the things you use every day in your home may be silently harming you and your family. In this video, we will reveal 10 common household items that can actually cause cancer without you even knowing it. And what can you do to protect yourself? You might be surprised by what you find out, so without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Air fresheners. Who doesn't love a fresh-smelling home? But did you know that most air fresheners, whether they are sprays, plug-ins, or candles, can emit volatile organic compounds that can irritate your eyes, nose, and throat and cause headaches, nausea, and asthma attacks? Some of these VOCs, such as formaldehyde, benzene, and styrene, are also known or suspected carcinogens, meaning they can cause cancer. That's not very fresh, is it? So what can you do instead of using air fresheners? Well, why not try some natural alternatives, such as opening the windows, using baking soda, vinegar, or lemon to absorb odors, or making your own spray with water, essential oils, and a little vodka or witch hazel. You'll save money, avoid toxins, and enjoy a truly fresh and healthy home. Number 2. Non-stick cookware. Non-stick cookware is convenient and easy to clean, but it comes with a price. Most non-stick pans are coated with a substance called polytetrafluoroethylene, also known as Teflon. When heated to high temperatures, polytetrafluoroethylene can release a toxic gas called perfluorooctanoic acid, which can cause flu-like symptoms in humans and kill birds. Perfluorooctanoic acid is also a likely human carcinogen, according to the Environmental Protection Agency, and has been linked to kidney, liver, testicular, and pancreatic cancers. So how can you avoid this risk? Well, you can switch to safer alternatives, such as cast iron, stainless steel, ceramic, or glass. These materials are durable, easy to maintain, and do not release any harmful chemicals when heated. You can also use a little oil or butter to prevent food from sticking and enjoy the natural flavor of your food. Number 3. Antibacterial soap. Antibacterial soap sounds like a good idea, right? But did you know that antibacterial soap can actually do more harm than good? That's because one of the main ingredients in antibacterial soap is a chemical called triclosan, which is added to kill bacteria. But it can also mess up your hormones, weaken your immune system, and damage your liver. In fact, some studies have shown that long-term exposure to triclosan can cause cancer and liver fibrosis in mice. That's pretty scary, right? The worst part here is that according to the FDA, there is no evidence that antibacterial soap is better than soap and water at protecting you from illness. So why risk your health for something that doesn't work? The next time you go shopping for soap, skip the antibacterial ones and stick to the plain ones. Your body will thank you for it. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are popular among people who want to cut down on sugar and calories, but they are not as sweet as they seem. Studies have shown that artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose, can cause a variety of health problems, such as headaches, mood swings, digestive issues, and weight gain. Some of these sweeteners have also been linked to cancer, especially in animal studies. For example, aspartame has been shown to cause brain tumors, leukemia, and lymphoma in rats, while saccharin has been shown to cause bladder cancer in mice. Instead of using artificial sweeteners, you can use natural sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, agave nectar, or stevia. These sweeteners are derived from plants or animals and do not contain any synthetic chemicals or additives. Number 5. Toothpaste. It may be surprising to hear, but some of the ingredients that are supposed to keep your teeth clean and healthy can actually harm your gut and increase your risk of tumors. One of the most common culprits is triclosan, which is an antimicrobial agent that is added to many toothpastes, soaps, and other products. Triclosan can mess up your gut microbiome, which is the community of bacteria that live in your intestines and help you digest food and fight infections. Triclosan can kill some of the good bacteria and allow some of the bad ones to grow and produce toxins. These toxins can trigger inflammation in your colon, which can damage the cells and make them more likely to become cancerous. So what can you do to avoid these dangers? Well, you can check the labels of your toothpaste and other products and look for triclosan and titanium dioxide. If they are present, you might want to switch to a safer alternative. Number 6. Cleaning products. Have you ever wondered what's in those bottles and cans of cleaning products you use to keep your home sparkling? Well, cleaning products contain some of the most dangerous chemicals in your household. One of the main culprits is a group of chemicals called volatile organic compounds, or VOCs for short. These are carbon-based molecules that evaporate easily at room temperature, and they can be found in many cleaning products, such as air fresheners, disinfectants, degreasers, and furniture polish. When you spray or wipe these products, some of the VOCs get released into the air, where you can breathe them in. For example, methylene chloride, a common ingredient in paint strippers and aerosol products, has been linked to liver and lung cancer. Instead of these products, you can make your own natural and effective cleaners using ingredients such as baking soda, vinegar, lemon juice, hydrogen peroxide, and salt. These ingredients are cheap, readily available, and can clean and disinfect almost any surface in your home without any harmful side effects. Also, wear gloves, masks, and goggles when you use cleaning products, especially if they are strong or have a strong smell. Number 7. Scented candles. Scented candles are a great way to create a cozy and relaxing atmosphere in your home, but they can also be a source of indoor air pollution. Most scented candles are made from paraffin wax, which is a byproduct of petroleum refining. When burned, paraffin wax can release toxic chemicals, such as toluene, benzene, and acetaldehyde, which can cause respiratory problems, headaches, and allergies. Some of these chemicals are also known or suspected carcinogens, according to the EPA. In addition, some scented candles contain synthetic fragrances and dyes, which can also emit harmful substances when burned. So try to choose candles that are made from natural materials, such as soy wax, beeswax, or vegetable wax. You can also look for candles that use cotton wicks, which do not produce soot or smoke. And you should avoid candles that have synthetic fragrances and opt for those that have natural essential oils instead. Number 8. Microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn is a quick and easy snack, but it can also be a source of two dangerous chemicals, diacetyl and perfluorooctanoic acid. Diacetyl is a chemical that is used to give popcorn its buttery flavor, but it can also cause a lung disease called bronchiolitis obliterans, or popcorn lung, which can cause coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Perfluorooctanoic acid is a chemical that is used to coat the inside of the popcorn bags to prevent the oil from leaking, but it can also leach into the popcorn and contaminate it. Perfluorooctanoic acid is a likely human carcinogen, according to the EPA, and has been linked to kidney, liver, testicular, and pancreatic cancers. So try to make your own popcorn using a stove, an air popper, or a paper bag. You can also add your own toppings, such as butter, salt, cheese, or herbs, to give it some flavor. Number 9. Mothballs. Mothballs are small balls of chemical pesticide that are used to repel or kill moths and other insects that can damage clothes and fabrics. However, mothballs can also pose a serious threat to your health and the environment. Mothballs contain either naphthalene or paridichlorobenzene, which are both toxic substances that can evaporate into the air and cause headaches, nausea, dizziness, and confusion. These substances can also damage your red blood cells, liver, and kidneys, and increase your risk of cancer, according to the EPA and the International Agency for Research on Cancer. Instead of mothballs, you can use cedar chips, lavender sachets, cloves, or bay leaves. These items can repel moths and other insects. Number 10. Pesticides. Pesticides are substances that are used to kill or repel pests, such as insects, rodents, weeds, or fungi. They are often used in gardens, farms, or homes, but they can also be very harmful for your health. Pesticides contain a variety of chemicals, such as organophosphates, carbamates, pyrethroids, and glyphosate. These chemicals can affect your nervous system, endocrine system, and immune system, and also cause cancer. For example, A meta-analysis by Harvard researchers found that children who were exposed to indoor insecticides had a higher risk of leukemia and lymphoma. So try using them only when necessary, following the instructions carefully, wearing protective gear, washing our hands and clothes after use, and storing them away from children and pets. So these were the 10 common household items that can cause cancer or other health problems. Remember, prevention is better than cure, and you can make a difference by making some simple changes in your home. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you use some of these items regularly? Do you have better alternatives? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.